Especially, Doc, ano yung recommended age nyo na magsimula ng magpatingin?
So, very important yung mammogram. 40 years old.
40 years up.
Sometimes, pwedeng a little earlier, lalo na if you have family history.
Kapag ka mas malaking
55.
possibility
Yes.
magkaroon, pa-check up na.
Yes, and then 50 years old, whether male, female, yung colonoscopy or at least yung stool test to check if you would require Yung colonoscopy naman, pag ginawa yon and negative ang result, malinis, ang repeat naman nun 10 years na. So, hindi naman siya yung lagi.
I see. Hindi
Kaya
siya yearly.
isahan mo lang basta
Pa-check
makita
na rin.
Gastos
kasi minsan
lang.
yung mga polyp na sinasabi, it's a precursor to cancer eh. So isipin mo kung makatch yan ng colonoscopy, makita may polyp ka, matanggal yun. So parang na-prevent mo yung cancer doon pa lang. Hindi pa siya cancer, but it has the
okay.
potential.
Okay.